Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 16 seed St. Mary High up against the number 49 seed St. Elizabeth Technical High School. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. St. Mary High School is represented by Ashana Douglas, Nijana Emavan, Kadeen Graham, and team captain Shavane Clark. And St. Elizabeth Technical High, or STETHS, is represented by team captain Chris Andrew Baker, Sunil Wellington, Colleen Ebanks, and John Daniel Coombs. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the fourth match in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. St. Mary High won and decided to go first. So we begin with St. Mary High School. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. St. Mary High, Bible knowledge. According to the book of Genesis, how many rivers were formed from the river that went out of the Garden of Eden?
4.
That's right. Bible knowledge for STETHS. According to Genesis 3, with what specifically did God clothe Adam and Eve?
Loincloths.
Judges, the skin of animals. Incorrect. International affairs, a visual clue for St. Mary High School. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Vladimir Putin.
Russian president, correct. International affairs for STETHS. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Donald Trump.
That's right. Biology for St. Mary. What is the name of the thin layer of tissue which covers the lungs?
Pleural membrane.
Pleural membrane.
Sorry?
Pleural membrane.
That's correct. Biology. STETHS. What is the name of the tube which conducts inhaled air from the larynx to the bronchi?
Bronchioles.
Judges? Trachea or windpipe. Principles of business for St. Mary High School. Which legislation governs the formation and operation of companies in Jamaica?
Legislation.
JBDC.
Incorrect. The Companies Act. Principles of business for STETHS. In what type of company are shareholders not personally liable for debts of a company?
Public limited companies.
Public limited companies.
Incorrect. Limited liability companies, LLC. Music and audio clue for St. Mary High School. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer, please.
He built a bridge to set us free.
Very good. Music for STETHS. Your audio clue. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer, please.
For you, I sing one word alone.
Jermaine Edwards.
That's right. English language for St. Mary. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of penitent.
Impenitent.
Impenitent.
That's right. English language for STETHS. Give a 7-letter antonym starting with the letter F for the word success.
Failure.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual clue for St. Mary High School. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Henry Cavill.
Henry Cavill.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for STETHS. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
John
Keller.
Chadwick Boseman. General knowledge for St. Mary. Chiroptophobia is the fear of what?
Bats.
Bats.
That's right. General knowledge for STETHS. Enochlophobia is the fear of what?
Snails.
Snails.
crowds. Geography for St. Mary. The source of the Zambezi River is to be found in which country?
Zambezi. Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Zambia. Geography for Steths. Into which ocean does the Zambezi River flow?
No.
Atlantic
Ocean.
Incorrect. The Indian Ocean. Sport. A visual clue for St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
All right, Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
That's right. Look at the monitor, Steths, and identify this person, please.
Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant.
That's correct. Chemistry for St. Mary. What is the formula for aluminum hydroxide?
All right, may I have this? Al bracket OH close bracket 3.
Very good. Steths. What is the CaOH2 is the formula for which chemical?
Calcium hydroxide.
Very good. And that bell signals the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be St. Mary High ahead on 9 points, Steths on 4 points. It's time to pause now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Music. The question is, what is the title of the album by Chronix, which has been nominated this year for a Grammy for Best Reggae Album? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after this break.